Current Star Atlas DAO cost especially is $0.32. The cost of Star Atlas DAO essentially truly has fallen by 1.7% in the past 24 hours in an unpretentious way. Star Atlas DAO in a real sense especially shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in an unpretentious manner. Polis's truly intraday volume generally truly remains at $305,944 in an in every way that really matters kind of large way. 24 September 2023. In this video we will for the most part sort of walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for the following week and genuinely attempt to answer these regularly by and large sought clarification on some things, facts. What certainly is for the most part kind of transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, sort of is Polis an essentially especially wise venture, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so on, exceptionally further appearance how Polis is fundamentally by and large intraday volume for the most part, sort of stands at $305,944 in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. Be that as it may, prior to plunging reasonably commonly profound into the Polis specialized examination, by and large, let us especially for the most part discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations in a for the most part all things considered, significant way in an unobtrusive way. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,043,861,656,281 in a for the most part enormous manner. The especially absolute exchanging volume for the most part generally remains at $17,771,514,007, kind of truly further appearance how truly current Star Atlas DAO cost for the most part is $0.32. The cost of Star Atlas DAO very has fallen by 1.7% in the past 24 hours, pretty truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum actually essentially has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they sort of for the most part thought. Which explicitly for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,273.57 level after a decay of 1.15%, which generally is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value reduction of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours, which generally is genuinely critical in a kind of huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.96, following a value change of 1.25% within a similar time span in a genuinely significant manner. XRP, the very local coin of XRP for the most part is somewhere near 1.24 and at present exchanging at 50 cents in every practical sense. Further appearance how Star Atlas DAO essentially explicitly shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week in an especially enormous manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, kind of additional appearance, how XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, most certainly is somewhere near 1.24 and right now exchanging at 50 cents, certainly kind of additional appearance how Star Atlas DAO quite shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking amazingly. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market generally is going in an especially descending course for truly present moment, showing how Star Atlas DAO in a real sense basically shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a very sort of broad sort of really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, pretty further appearance how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum has seen a value diminishing of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO execution the especially current Star Atlas DAO cost truly is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 49.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Presently, Polis in a real sense is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars, which sort of is genuinely huge. The most effective method to partake, which by and large fundamentally is genuinely huge in a quite enormous manner. To offer during the IEO, especially ensure you in every practical sense, generally read the standards beneath and basically do the accompanying ahead of time. Truly register all things considered, actually your FTX account, and explicitly submit kick level 2, which fundamentally most certainly shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.96. Following a value change of 1.25% within a similar time period in an essentially in every practical sense, significant way, which is very critical. Because of a genuinely enormous inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that your kick will be especially really supported before the IEO, so to offer during the IEO, most certainly ensure you in every practical sense, read the principles underneath, and especially truly do the accompanying in advance. Explicitly register lovely your FTX account and in a real sense submit kick level 2, which quite shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.96, following a value change of 1.25% within a similar time period, or so they thought in an essentially significant manner. Kindly certainly be encouraged to fundamentally submit kick when conceivable and truly get in every practical sense, endorsed to especially be really qualified for the IEO, so in a real sense, especially if it's not too much trouble, for the most part explicitly be encouraged to by and large submit kick when entirely conceivable and fundamentally get all things considered. Basically supported to explicitly be somewhat entirely qualified for the IEO, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking in a for the most part huge manner. Note that you should have no less than 150 FTT marked on FTX to really take part in the IEO, and that you especially basically get in every practical sense, essentially more tickets in the event that you stake most certainly more in a very by and large significant manner. Set an alert ahead of time. The IEO quite starts at 2021-08 to 26:10:30 a.m., exhibiting how to take part, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Plan assets to offer. Something like 400 USDT, and at most 500 USDT, and 5 FTT per ticket. Stake FTT to secure indecently your ticket designation 24 hours before the IEO. About Star Atlas DAO 2 in a real sense. Advance commonly more about this venture, look at our actually certainly profound plunge of Star Atlas, which explicitly shows that Star Atlas DAO generally in every way that really matters shows negative force throughout the end of the week in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas in every practical sense is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse rising up out of the juncture of cutting-edge blockchain, constant illustrations, multiplayer computer game, and most certainly really decentralized monetary innovations, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense by and large has seen a value decline of 0.